Folinn Electric, we focus on the R&D as well as the manufacturing of low-voltage inverter. It is located in Wenling City, Zhejiangh Province, a well-known advanced manufacturing base in the Yangtze River Delta. Through more than 20 years of rapid development, Folinn Electric has become one of the few modern factories with completely independent research and development capabilities in China. Relying on technological advantages and product innovation capabilities, Folinn Electric has been rated as one of the top 10 Chinese brands of low-voltage inverter for many years, which has been the well-known leader in the inverter industry.
20多年，自营富临一直坚持着做一件事情，开发核心技术的变频器。我们遵循 JED 零缺陷管理模式，在研发和制造的各个环节，从源头上有严密把关。我们必须要做到精益求精。
Folinn Electric is capable of developing a whole series of general frequency inverter and specific field inverter. Production base of 35,000 square meters, leading technological process, professional automatic production equipment, as well as highly precise detection, aim to achieving precise control from spare parts to finished products. Based on SOP standardized construction, Folinn Electric strictly controls the details and provides customers with high quality and high standard products. We invest 8% to 10% of annual sales turnover in product research and development. Besides, we have also established the R&D centers in Hangzhou and Germany, combining the first-class technical team and international advanced technology. We are capable of developing high-performance and high-quality inverter independently. H1 series of low-voltage inverter are the latest generation of innovative products and have the features of full drive, full control, and integrated drive and control. Customization is achieved while maintaining excellent performance and powerful functions, which greatly facilitates the usage and maintenance. Folinn Electric owns 12 series of general frequency inverter and specific field inverter, which achieves wide use in various industries such as machinery, manufacturing, petrochemical industry, and power construction. Folinn Electric adheres to the business philosophy of quality as life, meeting customers' needs and value for customers. Folin's sales and service agencies have been distributed in all major provinces and cities in China. We have also exported to nearly 50 countries in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East.
做专、做细、做强是富临未来的发展方向。打破传统模式，贴近客户，定制化服务是时代发展的必然趋势。富临电器将不断创新，努力拼搏，打造技术领先、服务极致、产品国际标准的民族品牌。
Drive at ease, create better future. Folinn Electric looks forward to working together with you.